Maurice Sam's relationship status is so complicated right now. Or rather, should I say that a lot of people want to really know who Maurice Sam is dating between Sonia Uche and Pearl. I don't know if I pronounced her name correctly. Yes, left for people, Maurice Sam and Sonia Uche got a lot of shippers. Like many people want them married already, but sometimes wishes, they say, no be horses. You understand? So watch this video to the very end. You will surely see the answer you are looking for. Cause from this live video, Maurice Sam and Pearl, who so many people think is the actual girlfriend, said a lot of things in this live video that will shock you. So watch till the very end. You will get your answers. Okay, don't skip any part of this video. Let me play the video so you will listen to her carefully. Both of them are on live stream. Let's go.
Of movies very soon. Maurice, why are you on and offing your camera? What are you doing that you're hiding? You look good.
I'm trying to understand how this even works.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi guys. One shit I swear to God, I don't know how this live thing works, especially like trying to go on live with someone else. I don't know how it works. I have no idea. So Maurice, there you go, because I can see your name but I can't see your face.
Right. Can you hear me though?
Empress Misha, I can hear you, but your voice is quite faint. And then I cannot see your handsome face. Empress Misha, darling.
What's up?
Maurice, why your face gone fresh like this?
What can I do now?
You can't be blush. Why did they make you blush? Never see fine girl before.
What can I do? It's not easy to see fine girl.
Why is your camera going
day?
Maurice,
on now, right?
She's so obsessed with you that you're also Sophia, my favorite actress. Love you.
Thank you so much.
Maurice looking so cute. Maurice is so shy. Don't mind Maurice. Very shy. But if they bring camera to his face now, he go bold. How the fuck do you do that? How do you do that? Yes, now Maurice is married. Now someone is asking if you're married. Maurice is married. He has 10 kids. He's married with 10 kids. You want to deny your kids for pop? Stop it. You're married with 10 kids.
Yes, I'm even Father Abraham. I think I have like maybe 50 children.
Oh my God.
50 children all over the world.
Please, my regards to your kids. You know, I need to come bring my nephews and nieces some gifts very soon. Okay.
Right. Okay.
My country people, get one thing what I noticed about these two. The chemistry between them are more like siblings. Like, you know that sibling bond, big bro and kid sister. That's the chemistry between them. Love chemistry no day between the two of them. Maybe they are dating, they want to keep it on the low, you know, they don't want public display of affections and all that. But to me, there is no love chemistry between them. Whenever Sonia and Maurice Sam are together, you will go they watch them, you go they do you for body, say, oh I need to be in a relationship, so this is love, so love is real. They can't even hide it anymore. You understand? They can't. The love is in their eyes. Just that maybe unfortunately for them, one of them might be dating, you know, might be in a relationship, so they want to keep it on a low. They just want to be friends and nothing more. But aside that, if you give these two people the opportunity to get married or be in a relationship, they will be the best couples anyone can ever imagine. seriously. I'm one of their shippers. That's why I said that if wishes were actually to be horses, beggars will ride on them. But life doesn't actually work that way. So I'm wishing Maurice Sam well to whoever he chooses between Sonia Uche and Pearl. His relationship with any of them will excel and it will last longer. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more news with the tutorial body on announce you they doing for here. For my page now, Proco news with they share no moment at all. As then they cook am now, so I they can't give you now. It's still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Bye.